Hey guys, Beth here. So today I am going to share with you my Boxy charm. I get the base box, which is $25 a month with tax. I think it comes out to like $27. And I also have my pop-up that I got like a week ago. Maybe it was, yeah, I think it was about a week ago I got it. And I have to share that with you guys. So let me get it. Okay, so here it is. So I'm gonna share that with you guys first, and then I'll go into my base box because I've had this a little bit longer here. So here is the box it came in. It's a pretty good sized box. And all the wrapping it came in. Okay, so the first thing I see when I open it up is that it's a box in a box. Okay, so that was kind of unnecessary packaging there, Boxy charm. And I did buy this Luna Magic. It's a primer, an eyelash primer, and it's in the color pink. How cute is that, you guys? So in the pop-up, they had this, I think for like $6, I want to say. And so I purchased that, and I am so addicted to lash primers now. I have, after Lancome's lash primer, I was like, oh no, I gotta get a couple more. So I have a couple more now. And then this box here is what I ordered, and it is the Norvina palette, you guys. I got the big one. I did get the one with the butterflies before this. I ordered it, and then I was like, I want the other one too. So I went back online, and for $23, I got the $60 palette in Boxy Charms pop-up sale. And right now they're having the add-ons, and I do have my cart full again. And I do have an add-on box coming in the mail. But so Boxy Charm, they do these sales where they have the add-ons and they have these pop-ups, and you could purchase stuff that you didn't get in your box that you wanted. And so I kind of like that about Boxy Charm, that I could purchase the stuff that I didn't get at a discounted price. So here is what the palette looks like. There are no names, they just have letters with numbers. So it's like rows A through D. Yeah, it has A, B, C. No, A, B, C, D. What? Oh, and E. Sorry, I didn't see the E there. But this is what it looks like. It's hard plastic. It's really substantial kind of packaging. It comes with this like huge mirror. It's like as big as this, and it's a huge, huge palette. So I'm excited to have this and to use it. I'm gonna first play though with the butterfly one. If you guys, that's the number 3. This is the number 1 palette. The number 3 is this one right here. I still have it out. It's been sitting here for days, for like a week or 2 now. This is the other one, and this one, I love the packaging. It's the number 3, and it's more colorful. Now, some of you guys know I'm not a big fan of purples. That's why I was kind of like iffy about buying the number 1. But this one, number 3, oh my god, I was just like, I have to have it. There was no question. I just purchased it, and I love it. But those were the only 2 things I purchased in the, well, actually, it was the second order of the pop-up that I did. So yeah, I got that. I'm just putting them down so they don't fall. I have all kinds of makeup right here because I just filmed a video on this look. If you guys are interested in watching it, I will have it linked here in the cards and at the end of this video. But here's my base box. Let's get into this, you guys. Whew. And I had already opened it, but let me share with you the card. It says Boxy Charm Fantasy. And I love beach themed items. I can't wait till summer just because I love the beach so much, you guys. And here is the card. Now it gives you a description and the prices, the MSRP. I'll go over that as we go, I guess. So let's grab out the first item. No, I'm just gonna pull them out randomly. I don't want to share with you the first time because that's the most exciting one to me. So the first item that I'm pulling though is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Liner in black. And I have a lot of eyeliners, you guys. I'm kind of like, I'm gonna leave it in the box. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything. because I might pass it along in a giveaway or something like that, just because I do have a lot of eyeliners, and today I just opened one, so I'm kind of like, ooh, that's gonna be a long time before I finish all these black eyeliners that I already do have. So I do love a black eyeliner though, so this is a nice item. I do like these, so I'm not sad or mad about that. The next one I've seen a lot of people get, it's this pen, and it has 4 makeup essentials. It has a black eyeliner, a highlighter in champagne, a pencil in mauve, and a brown pencil in coffee brown. So I guess it has like your eyeliner, your brow liner, your lip liner, and your highlighter. So let's check this out. Mine is like a blue color pen. I don't know if everybody's was blue. It just says Pen Pal on it. Packaging looks kind of cheap to me, honestly. If you guys look at, who's it? Benefit, they have a pen similar to this, but only for your brows. And that one, it looks like it has their, you know, their color, their logo. It looks kind of, you know, kind of nice. Like they made it look nice. But this just looks like a cheap pen I'd get at a conference or something like that. So comes with the brown. Sorry about the light, a cloud. It rained randomly last night in the middle of the night. It was so nice though to get a little bit of rain. So it is kind of like humid today, and clouds covering the sun at this point in time. Oh, my glass smudged. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a swatch of, is this a lip liner? This must be, I thought that was a brown. No, this is a lip liner. Oops. Here's a lip liner. That's a really pretty color. I like that. Here is a swatch of the brow pencil, if it'll come out. Now, when these things were being delivered, it was super hot where I live. Oh, it's a taupey shade, so this is pretty universal for everyone. That's kind of nice too. I think I'm gonna be using this. Okay, packaging looks cheap, but the product looks nice inside. Okay, so here's the black eyeliner. Okay, the eyeliner I might not use. Only if like I'm on the go and I really need it, and I throw it in my makeup bag then. Maybe. And then here's the highlighter. Let me twist it. And I forgot to highlight my inner corner in that video that I just did, so maybe I'll use this right now. Let's try it out. Why not? Okay, so there it is. It's very light, like champagne-y kind of color. And I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner with it. Oh, it's pretty. Easy to apply. It's creamy. You see that? You can barely see it. My skin is so like honestly sweaty because it's hot in here and I'm trying to get over this cold. Very nice. And I'm forgetting to talk about the products as I go. I'm so sorry. That eyeliner that I showed you, where is it at? I already lost it. Well, anyway, it's somewhere. This, oh, here it is, the Bella Pierre eyeliner. This retails for $20. Wow. Okay, and then this pen here, it retails for $25. Okay, so this might be something I might want to pan because I am trying to do the reverse rouge this year. And I think this might be actually something I could use up fairly quickly. So there's that. Not bad. Not bad. The highlighter is a little weak, but the rest of them look alright. So not bad. The next item I have is the Dermalect Cosmeticals Outer Crease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Okay, and I could use this, you guys, the retinol right here on my outer V, the crow's feet. Maybe they should just say crow's feet, I don't know. But it comes in this box here, and then it's like this red serum, so that looks nice. And I will be trying that out. I'll let you guys know later on once I do start using it how it works for me. On this one it says it's worth $39 is what they're charging MSRP. It says Dermalect Out Crease successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated micro encapsulated delivery system. Might have to look up that word. Okay, the next one is a mud sky, and it looks like it's a, what does it say? It says vitamin infused eye serum, another eye serum. It says reduces dark circles. I don't have dark circles, I just have under eye bags. It says moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. Okay, well maybe I can use the firming. So we have another eye cream. And then this was for the choice. I chose to get the Ofra palette. So BoxyCharm, they give you a choice every month, and they show you like, it's like a sneak peek. You get, I think there were 4 choices this month. I can't remember, but I chose the Ofra because I've never had an Ofra palette before. And I remember back in the day, everybody loved their highlighters. Like, there was the Rodeo Drive one Nikki Tutorials would always talk about. So I had to get the Ofra palette. I was like, I want that. Even though I have a lot of palettes right now and a lot of highlighters, I was like, no. And then it has that pop of like seafoam green I love. And it has a blush, a bronzer, and then a couple of other eyeshadows. And I just thought this was a good deal. I thought that was a really good deal to get this. So I did. And I could finally try out Ofra Cosmetics. There's a swatch of the highlighter on my finger and on my arm. It's just oh so pretty, you guys. And that blends so nicely, and it feels like so not thick. Like I did the LA Colors today on my cheek, and that's kind of thicker and heavier. But this is just going on so smoothly and pretty. Very, very pretty. I'm so excited to have this and to use it. So not bad, you guys. I am so happy to have this. And again, I'm thinking about canceling though, because I have so much already, and I feel like I get so like I want to buy stuff from those pop-ups and those add-ons and things like that, that I'm spending a lot more money than I used to because I have BoxyCharm. So I'm feeling like I should cancel just to like save money for a while and not spend as much because I've been purchasing a lot from them. So I don't know. I'll let you guys know in the future what I decide to do. I did already pick the choice for next month, so I feel like I kind of want to get that still. So we'll see. But that is it, you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope this video wasn't too boring and dull and it gave you something, I don't know, something to watch, something to listen to. And I hope you guys all are having an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.